They go together in my mouth. Oh, wow. And so we are at Taj Mahal Hotel और ताज महल होटल में मैं आ गई हूँ मचान. मचान is all about classics, antiquity and a lot of cultural memories and traditional memories that people have. And for me, this is a beginning of creating memories with Taj Machan. And यहाँ पे एक event चल रहा है, Cooking Up a Tale.
For me, it's in a very strange way going back to our tradition and civilizational heritage. Food is not merely a combination of different food elements. Food represents culture. It represents choices. It represents taste. It represents palate. It represents history, tradition.
What is so special about the menu that you have curated for the spread today?
The menu that I've curated is keeping in mind our host. He has curated a dish called as Dahi Pan Ke Kebab. The starter is called Bandhavgarh Beginnings. It's primarily a Indianized, very localized salad with elements of here, but at the same time, it's got flavors of the north. So it's primarily like a tandoori vegetable and a tandoori fruit salad.
Cooking up a tale will require a lot of experiences in Machan, and my experience of Machan is this amazing book launch that is here at the Great Hindu Civilization. और इसमें भी गंगा जमनी तहजीब के बारे में बात होती है जो हमारे कल्चर के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और इसी के साथ साथ मैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट करने आ गई हूँ यहाँ पर, जो कि है इनका स्पेशली क्यूरेटेड मेन्यू फॉर टुडेज इवेंट. एंड दिस beautiful thing that is in front of me, oh my god, it's really beautiful. एक चीज़ जो बहुत अमेजिंग होती है होटल्स में, अगर आप खाने जाते हैं, बुटीक लंच करने जाते हैं या बुफे में जाते हैं, तो आपको प्रेजेंटेशन अमेजिंग मिलता है. एंड आई कैन सी द प्रेजेंटेशन टू बी रियली नाइस. इट हैज़ अ कीवी आउट coating, covering, and it has some amazing vegetables is what I can see inside. It's a really beautiful dish that I can see. It's called Bandhavgarh Beginnings. So Bandhavgarh Beginnings is all about a salad of vegetables and some char-grilled root vegetables. Okay, let's see how this comes out first. Oh wow, it's very pretty. I don't feel like eating, but kiwi is my favorite fruit. Let's taste a little bit. Let's just taste. Okay, very delicate. It's your kiwi, and now we have some vegetables. I can see some beetroot. Even if it's very spicy, but it's very refreshing क्योंकि mouth में बहुत अच्छा flavors का blast होता है. Because of the tangy and spicy masala that's there on all the vegetables.
Without the business of tale, okay, there's no maza. So you have to bring, and without food and without wine, if you do any kind of tale telling, it's totally an incomplete story.
What is your memory of the kitchen here in Machan?
Oh, my memory of this kitchen is it's vibrant. It's fun. It's action packed. It's a nightmare.
Why do you say that?
Oh, it can be a nightmare when you get 50 orders at the same time, and everyone is mera order first. So that's when it's a nightmare, but it's fun.
You know, the history says that the dahi kebab was an invention of Jodhabai in Akbar's court. And Jodhabai wanted to bring in from her part of the world a vegetarian cuisine also into the Mughal kitchen. And so she perfected the dahi kebab. and we've just added a twist to it by dahi pan kebab. And pan also in many ways is a product of our Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb. So we have something which is a good representative of our culinary tradition, and I'm happy to be cooking a potato.
So, one last thing I would like to know from your book. I would want to know, you spoke about Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb, and your book is about the great Hindu civilization. So, from the beginning or the inception of the civilization, what is the idea of Tehzeeb that inculcated through cultures, various cultures?
संस्कृति जो है उसका एक अपना स्वायत्व भी होता है और एक उसमें कई और तरह के प्रभाव भी आते हैं. तो हमारी संस्कृति हजारों साल तक एक प्रधानशील हिंदू संस्कृति थी. इस्लामिक इन्वेजन के बाद और भी बड़े प्रभाव आए, पर उससे मिल करके एक गंगा जमुनी तहजीब जरूर बनी. और वो जो तहजीब थी उसमें दोनों ही संस्कृतियों के सबसे अच्छे नफीस हिस्से शामिल हुए.
Lots of pineapples. Okay, guys, I had a great time here at Machan. I think दो classic salads मैंने try किए यहाँ पे, which the chef calls it curated for memories. And I think my memory of Machan will be 2 glasses of champagne and some salad. I think it's wonderful. Cheers.